Hi, our class today is about K-map mapping. So this is example for SOP. So you got equation X equals to A bar B bar CD plus A bar B C D plus A bar B C D bar plus A B C D plus A B C bar D plus A B bar C D. So you read this as equation for SOP. So remember SOP, you read A equals to 1, A bar equals to 0. Okay, now you read this as 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is the location in the K-map. So you place number 1 in K-map because this is SOP. So 0011 is here. 0111 is here. 0110 is here. 1111 is here. 1101, 1101, and then 1011. And then you do a grouping. So for example, in this plot, you got 3 grouping, which is group number 1, group number 2, and a group number 3. A group number 1, you read from here. So you got A, B, A1, B1, A, B. And then on the top here, you read here and here. C, change state, you don't read C. And D is 1 to 1. So you read D because D equals to 1. Then now group number 2. So you read here 0 and 1. A0, B1. So you got A bar, B. And then for this group and this group, you compare here and here, which is C is 1 and 1. So you read C. For group number 3 is a group of 1. For 1, you group as a 1. So all of this change state. So you don't read A and B. So you just read C and D, which is C is 1, D is 1. So that's why you got C, D. So this is your equation after you got a simplification. Thank you.